Welcome to the world of online learning. In this video, we'll explore how to effectively use online learning platforms. Choosing the right online learning platform is crucial for your success. Consider factors like course variety, pricing, user interface, and support. Let's get started by creating your account. Visit your chosen platform, click on Sign Up, and follow these steps. Now that you're logged in, let's navigate the dashboard. Here, you'll find all your courses, progress tracking, and settings. Finding the right course can be overwhelming. Use search filters and keywords to help you discover courses that fit your needs. Once you've found your ideal course, click on Enroll and complete any necessary steps for successful registration. To get the most out of your learning, actively engage with the materials. Take notes, participate in quizzes, and review frequently. Don't forget to connect with your peers through discussion boards. Networking and interaction can enhance your learning experience. Tracking your progress is vital. Most platforms offer completion percentages and assessments to help you stay accountable. In conclusion, online learning offers flexibility and resources. Make the most of your journey by setting goals, staying organized, and engaging with the community.